Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make mango pickle. Here I have two raw mango, that is totapuri mango, and I am going to add some salt to taste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, fenugreek powder or methi powder, hing, and some curry leaves. And for seasoning I'll be using 1 spoon of mustard seeds and sesame oil. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the seasoning. I'm adding sesame oil now. The reason I'm preparing the seasoning first is I don't want to add hot oil in the pickle. So first I'll be preparing the seasoning and then I'm going to chop the mangoes. So by that time the oil will be ready. Now I'm going to add the mustard seeds. And I also will be adding some curry leaves. So now my seasoning is ready. I'll be adding this later. Now I'm going to chop the mangoes into small pieces. I'm going to chop it fine. You can use any raw mango, any variety raw mango. I have chopped the mangoes finely like this. Next I'm going to add salt and turmeric powder. Then I'm going to stir it nicely. Mix it nicely. Next I'm going to add hing or Asafoetida and methi powder and mix it nicely. Methi powder is a must because that enhances the taste of the mango pickle, and it also acts as a preservative. All this turmeric powder, salt and methi powder, so all act as a preservative. I'm not adding any other preservative. If you want to keep the mango pickle for a longer time, then you can add some white vinegar. I'm not adding any white vinegar today. Next I'm going to add the red chili powder and mix it nicely. If you want more spicy, you can add more red chili powder. My mango pickle is almost ready. Next I'm going to add the seasoning which I already prepared in the sesame oil. If you want, you can also use mustard oil or sunflower oil, but today I'm using sesame oil. And stir, mix nicely. My tasty and delicious mango pickle is ready. This is a South Indian mango pickle. So you can enjoy this mango pickle with curd rice or thai sadam or roti or for dal rice. So please try this recipe and share your feedback. I already shared the recipe for thai sadam or curd rice, so you can see that too. And thank you so much for watching my video. Take care.